You don't need a good electric oven for baking. You need one that holds a steady temperature, bakes evenly across racks, and doesn't turn cookies into a science experiment. Today, we're counting down the 7 best electric ovens for baking, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your kitchen, your budget, and your baking style, without wasting money on features you'll never use. 7. FOTILE RES 30551. The first thing noticed with the FOTILE is that it feels premium in a way many ranges don't: heavy, solid, and thoughtfully designed, especially around insulation and the door. It uses a 5-burner electric cooktop and a 5.7 Q-feet oven, which is a sweet spot for home bakers who want space for big sheet pans and tall loaves without stepping up to commercial sizes. For baking features, it's surprisingly loaded: convection bake, convection roast, air fry, proof, warm, quick preheat, and even Sabbath mode are all part of the oven function list. When running a couple of cookie trays back to back, the convection modes helped reduce the front rack versus back rack problem, and it didn't require constant rotating the way basic thermal ovens often do. The cooktop power story is strong on paper, up to 3,600 watts on the burners depending on configuration, and the smooth glass surface is easy to wipe clean after flour dust, sugar spills, and boilovers. There's also steam self-cleaning that only needs a cup of water, which is convenient if the oven is used often for buttery pastries that tend to smoke and splatter. Now the downside. While the feature list reads like a best-of compilation, the overall experience can feel a bit like learning a new ecosystem. Controls and modes take time to get used to, especially if coming from simpler mainstream ranges. Also, for the price tier, it tends to sit in. Some bakers may expect a more widely proven service network and a longer track record compared with legacy brands. Number 6. KoolMore KM-WO30D-SS. The KoolMore is a double-wall oven unit, and the main reason it's interesting for bakers is the flexibility. 2 separate cavities can mean cookies up top and a roast or bread proofing plan down below. It's designed around convection cooking with fan-assisted heat distribution, which generally helps with multi-rack evenness and quicker browning. In practical use, the biggest win is capacity per oven, listed as 5 Q-feet per cavity in many product listings, which gives room for larger bakes and makes it feel batch-friendly. If the household bakes often during holidays, having 2 ovens can change everything. Pies can hold warm while cakes finish, and nothing has to get sacrificed for timing. It also offers multiple oven functions, and some listings highlight a proof function and self-cleaning, which is exactly the kind of quality-of-life feature bakers appreciate after sticky glazes and cheese-filled bakes. The stainless build looks sharp in a wall setup, and the wall mount form keeps floor space cleaner and more open in tight kitchens. Here's the criticism. KoolMore is not as mainstream household as some competitors, so the buying decision feels a bit more like purchasing a specialty appliance. Great if everything goes smoothly, but it can be harder to find broad, long-term user feedback compared with the big names. And because it's a double-wall oven, installation expectations are higher, power requirements and fitment matter more, so it's not the easiest swap for every kitchen. 5. Hisense HBE3501CPS. The Hisense is a freestanding electric range that punches above its price in baking-first features, especially for someone upgrading from an older basic oven. It brings true convection, air fry, and ultra-fast preheat, which is a trio that can seriously improve weeknight baking and weekend projects. The oven capacity is 5.8 Q-feet, which is excellent for bakers who use larger trays, casserole-style bakes, or want to run multiple racks. In testing-style everyday use, muffins on one rack, granola on another, the true convection helped keep browning more even and reduce the need to shuffle pans as often. One detail that stands out is the dual cleaning approach: self-cleaning for deeper cleans and steam cleaning for quick refreshes. That matters more than people think, because baking is messy. Sugar bubbles, butter pops, fruit fillings leak, and steam clean is the difference between "I'll do it later" and "done in one cycle." On the cooktop side, the 3,300-watt power boil element is legitimately fast when heating large pots. useful if baking days include syrups, custards, or big water baths. There's also a max view window that makes it easier to check rise in color without cracking the door and losing heat. The only reason it isn't higher is that it's not positioned as a high-end ecosystem product, no smart features, and it doesn't try to be luxurious. But for baking performance per rupee dollar, it's a very practical pick that feels designed around real cooking, not just marketing checkboxes. 4. Frigidaire Gallery Electric Range GCRE3060AF. This Frigidaire is popular with people who bake a lot because it's built around convection and air frying in a way that supports consistent results across racks. In a baking-heavy kitchen, that usually translates to fewer hotspot surprises and more predictable timing when making cookies, rolls, and layered bakes. The reason it climbs to number 4 is that it aims for that almost pro usability. The brand emphasizes faster, more even multi-rack baking using a convection fan and additional heating support, which is exactly what home bakers want when doing volume. And since air fry is included, it becomes a one-appliance solution for crisping toppings, reheating pastries, or making crunchy sides without dragging out another gadget. Frigidaire also positions this model as having a quick boil element around 3,000 watts in many listings, which helps if baking is paired with candy work, jams, or large batch prep. That kind of stove power isn't baking directly, but it supports the baking lifestyle, especially during holidays when stovetop and oven run together. In use, it feels like a balanced baking-forward range. Not the cheapest, not the most luxe, but consistently competent where it counts. Heat movement, rack coverage, and versatile modes. If the goal is even bakes without babysitting, this model fits that mission well. 3. Whirlpool Electric Range W3333. The Whirlpool is the great value, low-drama option, especially for bakers who want steady results without paying for features they won't use. It's a 5.3 Q-feet oven with a built-in temperature sensor designed to manage oven temperature for more even baking. And that kind of stability matters when baking cakes and breads. A standout feature here is no preheat mode for certain foods, which isn't strictly a baking artisan feature, but it's incredibly convenient for busy households. And for cleaning, steam clean is included. Just add water, run the cycle, wipe away, making it easier to keep the oven fresh between baking weekends. On the cooktop, the dual flex heat radiant elements let cookware size match the burner size, and Whirlpool claims faster boiling when using the larger ring compared to the smaller ring on the same unit. That's helpful when baking involves big pots, mixing bowls over gentle heat, or quick prep for frosting and fillings. What's impressive is that Whirlpool notes recognition from Good Housekeeping's 2024 Best Kitchen Gear Awards, positioning it as a great value range. And it does feel like that. Practical features that actually get used. It's not a convection-first baking machine, but it's reliable, spacious enough for most families, and easy to live with. 2. GE Electric Convection Range JB735SPSS. This GE model blends true everyday usability with the baking upgrade most people actually notice, convection that browns and bakes more evenly by circulating hot air. If cookies usually come out uneven or roasted, bakes look pale on one side, convection is the feature that changes the game fastest. The other big selling point is no preheat air fry, which is designed to deliver crispy results without needing preheating or special trays, and it's surprisingly useful for bakers who want quick crunch. Think re-crisping croissants, browning crumb toppings, or finishing pastries fast. It also includes fast preheat and self-clean with a steam clean option for lighter soils, so it doesn't feel high maintenance. From a cooktop perspective, there are dual-size elements, like a 12-inch 9-inch option, and a warming zone, which is perfect for holding ganache, keeping fillings warm, or staging components while a bake finishes. The hidden bake interior also makes cleanup easier, which matters when melted sugar or butter drops to the bottom. What holds it just slightly below number 1 is that it's still a range built to satisfy a wide audience, home cooks, families, casual bakers, so while it bakes very well, it doesn't feel as purpose-built and refined as the top pick. Still, for most people wanting excellent baking without jumping to premium wall oven pricing, this is a strong buy once, enjoy daily choice. 1. Bosch HBL8454UC. At number 1 is the Bosch, and the reason is simple. It's built like a dedicated baking tool, not just an oven that happens to bake. It's a 30-inch wall oven in Bosch's 800 series with 4.6 Q-feet capacity, and it's designed around consistent, even cooking using convection systems that support multi-rack baking. The feature set is exactly what serious bakers love: an integrated air fry option, convection multi-rack capability, fast preheat, and a temperature probe for precise doneness, especially useful when baking bread with internal temp targets or roasting items alongside bakes. Bosch also highlights self-clean cycles, 2, 3, or 4 hours, which is important if the oven is used heavily for butter-rich pastries or cheesy bakes. The physical experience is a big part of why it wins. Listings highlight premium touches like a quiet closed door and a telescopic rack that supports heavy dishes without awkward pulling and tipping. That seems small until trying to slide out a loaded Dutch oven or a heavy lasagna mid-bake without losing confidence, or dinner. It also includes ergonomic design choices. Bosch specifically mentions side-opening doors on the product page, which can make accessing the oven more comfortable, especially when checking delicate rises or basting without leaning into heat. And for kitchens where baking is frequent, that comfort and control becomes a daily advantage, not a one-time novelty. If the goal is the most consistent baking results with the fewest compromises and a more premium, every detail feels intentional experience, this Bosch is the top choice from this list. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.